Today's sky-high adventure is taking off with our drawing capes on. Get ready to soar and spin as we draw and color two amazing flying machines, an airplane and a helicopter. Let's fill the sky with vibrant colors and creative designs together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's start by drawing our airplane. Grab your black marker and let's begin. First, draw the body, the heart of our airplane.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and
Next,
round.
let's draw the wings and the engine.
Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep.
Picture them taking us on an adventure in the sky. Now, add the windshield and the windows.
All through the town. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men.
Can you see yourself peeking out as you fly high? Look at our fantastic airplane. But we're not done yet. To make it stand out even more, let's grab that black marker and make those outlines bold and sharp. Go over the entire drawing with bold lines. Make it pop and ready for our colors.
Hickory-dickory-dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck five, the mouse ran down. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
And now, the most fun part, coloring. Get ready, little artists. Let's introduce the colors we'll use to make our airplane soar with vibrancy. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Let's start with blue for the windshield and windows. Imagine looking out at the endless blue sky.
Don't sing. Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring turns grass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that
Use red to color the nose of the plane and a part of the engine.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
It's fiery and ready for action. Add some green for the small wing in the back and the engine body.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
Our airplane is looking dynamic.
Q, R, S, T, U, V,
Go ahead and use orange for the tail and main wings. They're ready to take off.
Next time won't you sing with me? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Now, color the body of the plane with yellow. It's cheerful and full of sunshine.
All through the town. Horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
finish it off with more orange for the front part of the engine. Our airplane is now a work of art. And there you have it, our colorful and awesome airplane. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Hello, young artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub, where imagination takes flight. Today, we're about to draw and color a fantastic helicopter. Are you ready? Awesome! Let's soar into creativity. Let's begin by drawing the helicopter with a black marker.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish.
Awesome!
Don't forget to make those outlines bold and sharp, just like a real helicopter.
Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men put Humpty together again. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Now, it's time to add some vibrant colors to our flying machine. I'll tell you the color names as we go along. Sky blue color. First, use sky blue for the windshield and windows, giving the helicopter a touch of the open sky.
Life is but a dream. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. Dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. Little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a wow!
Orange color. Next, grab your orange and add it to the stand and those cool circles that make the helicopter even more interesting.
And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that
Purple color.
glass is
Let's give the rotor blades a spin with purple, adding a dash of excitement.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Green color.
H, I, J, K,
Add some
L,
green
M,
for
N,
that
O, P,
extra touch of creativity.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Red color.
Now I know
For the
my
helicopter's body,
ABCs.
let's paint it with a coat of red, making it stand out.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all
Fantastic job, young artists! Our sky is now filled with vibrant airplanes and helicopters thanks to your incredible creativity. Keep exploring and drawing your world. It's a masterpiece in the making. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.